With the team of Tripura from all the Colombo Model Residency schools under Tribal Welfare Department, we participated in national level AMR School Sports Meet, which was held at Hyderabad, Rajasthan. And it was music fest. Music fest arranged by the Government of India jointly with the Government of Rajasthan. And from all over India, 19 states participated there, and there are 4 events: solo song, solo dance, group song and group dance. In all 4 the events, our students participated, and in the event of group dance, the team of Tripura, we achieved 2nd position. And we think that in other events also our students' competition was very good. And we expect in the next year, the experience which we got from this year's events, our students will gather the knowledge, and next year our students surely they will achieve more prizes, not only in the group dance, other events like group song, solo dance, solo songs, our students will have good presentation and they will get prize surely. And moreover, the thing is that as it was the gathering of all the states, our students had an opportunity to meet the students of all the states, and it was possible to exchange of experience, culture and other issues, and which will enrich the knowledge of the students. Thank you.